And we have an interesting day today because Fridays are about half day of work and half day of planning for the next week. And I just checked into the office early, and today the first thing that I do usually is to make sure we check a tool called Null that we built internally. It is built only for us. We literally change it to whatever we need it to be. It is one of the most powerful task management systems that we have built internally, which helps us ship super fast. So let's go. Hey guys. Finally, it took me like 45 minutes, and the day's plan has been set, and a plan for the next week is also kind of set. And we'll see how this goes. We just came back from coffee, and we have an idea to be discussed about, and I have Varun and Swati here, and we're going to talk about it now. It's about MCP.
So we're giving actually power back to the customer themselves. The previous version of this would have looked like you would have to hire a developer and then they would have to connect all of these APIs back then, right? But then now as a customer, you know, like as a manager, you know, for like the example of order tracking, you know that we're supposed to get the customer ID and then verify if the order actually belongs to that customer or not. You know that these are the set of steps that you need to perform. But now we need to send that to the developer, and the developer has to like to code this into it. And then at any point of time, this set of rules can change. And now you're back into, you know, modifying this entire workflow again. But now with procedures, with MCPs, the power is with you as a manager. You sit and you write a natural language, which is a prompt, and you collaborate with all these MCP tools. We have a bunch of other like internal tools as well that you can use. Like just a simple comparator or an if clause. We have all of these tools that you can use with just natural language and combine multiple MCPs and make all of this, you know, this huge set of tools work together. And it's so much easier for you to change that order whenever things change, because businesses are forever evolving.
Got it. I have two genuine questions. Like one is, how can we make it so easy for a customer in the sense like our customer who's using SupportWire, to create a new procedure for this, right? And number two is that most businesses, from what I've seen online and spoken to as well, they have a set of SOPs that they actually have. Can we turn those SOPs into draft procedures so that we can actually do those things?
Hi, I'm the co-founder of Script. I just want to talk about what we do and how things goes here. So we just had a stand-up. We were discussing about some interesting points that we are going to add for SupportWire in terms of the agentic workflows, mainly with the procedures and Copilot. So I just saw my Cloud Code got reset today, so got a bunch of work to be done around that. So I'll probably get something done by Cloud Code. And I also have some work for the Circa event that is happening tomorrow at our office, where we are bringing a bunch of customer support teams and having a session on customer support in terms of the AI era. So there is some bunch of logistics work that is going to be happening that needs my attention and need to look on it. So usually my creative work starts in the second half of the day. So I'm just going to head for lunch. So post that, I think there's a lot of things to be done, taken off my checklist, right? So There's also a recent, GPT 5.6 model got released. I'm yet to get my hands on that. So, I mean, I already saw a lot of tweets. This, says that's very promising. So that is something that I need to look into. So that's how my day goes. Bunch of research, some tasks to be done for the team, and some meetings to run around. So that's how my routine usually works.
I'm an engineer at Script and I'm an intern come full-time employee here. I've been working at Script for last 2 months and I have learned a lot of things here. I do engineering stuff as my core thing and I handle design, marketing, even these video things are done by me for personal branding for Karthik, the founder. So right now I've been working on the marketing side for building the comparison page with our competitors. So that's what my current task was. Most of my days look very packed because I will keep my work as a main distraction from my own distraction so that I won't get into any distraction. So this is what I believe. The primary goal is to have a proper personal brand for Karthik because I believe writing code is very easy thing that anyone can do with the use of AI right now. So within next 1 to 2 years, writing code doesn't matter at all. But the thing is, if you have a personal brand and if you have a proper story to tell and if people are ready to believe your story, you will be the most powerful person in any room. That's why I have proposed this as a plan to Karthik and the team and everyone agreed with this and we have been working on this for last 1 month. So this video is one of the example of personal branding that we are doing here.
So myself Rashim, I'm working on SupportWire right now. I work on the AI agent that resolves the issues. I work on the mobile applications for iOS and Android, and sometimes here and there in the API server as well. Yeah, because I have Cloud Code with me here. So that's a big breakthrough that happened, and I have been working all over the SupportWire application. So today, if you wanna know what I worked on, there was a little bug in the customer side widget, and it was a huge hiccup trying to figure out what's happening, and later we found out it was a token mismatch issue and I fixed it today. That's what pretty much happened today, and yeah, day-to-day stuff goes like this, and currently we are working on procedures. I hope Varun has told you guys about it. So yeah, that's a big breakthrough that happens in SupportWire where you can bring all your MCPs and external connections that you have into one place and let our agent handle everything. So it's gonna be a huge fun task that I get to work on and learn a lot along it. So yeah, let's see how this goes. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.
I'm finishing the day early so that I can go home, spend some time with the kids, and then start my work. Literally start my work because I do the best work in the nights. And everything has been planned for next week. And Virgil has been forcing me to get some videos on camera. And yeah, have a great weekend, guys.